So after a month or two of procrastinating, I finally decided to buy my first Gucci bag. And let's have a look. Okay. Yep. Here it is. And here's the card. Oh, that's the receipt. So I bought this at Takashimaya store, Gucci store in Takashimaya. And let's see. I wanted to buy something that I can use to travel while having a baby. Yes. Oh my gosh. Is it smaller than I thought? But I think it's good. It's gonna be perfect. Oh my gosh, look at that. So the lady at the store already opened this actually, and she just repacked it. That's why the belt does not have a cover anymore. And oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Gosh. Oh my gosh. So there are cards and more cards, translations. Okay. There it is. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my gosh. That's it. My first ever Gucci bag. Love it.